Hey, good morning, good afternoon. Welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Semakula Electrical Uganda. Yeah, this is our new house where we are going to do wiring. I think you can see we have started putting wires. These are the wires. Yes, yeah. This one. This house is a flat with 3 bedrooms. This house is very big, as you can see. Let me show you. This is the bathroom. They are still working on it. Process. And you can see this is a corridor. This is a corridor. This is another bedroom. Very big. As you can see. Very big one. See? Very big one. This is another bathroom. Yeah, this is a bathroom. Yeah. You see? Yes. This is a bedroom. Yeah. This is where we are heading. This is a store. This is a store. This is a store. Yeah, this is a sitting room. Yes. This is a shed. This shed is very big. This is another bedroom, master bedroom. See wires. We started on sockets. That's where we started. So today we are going to lights. Bedroom. This is a bathroom. But this bathroom is going to have jacuzzi, fan. As you know, these people, big people have, those people who have money, so they can make a house which is, you can say, yeah, this is a corridor, like playroom. You can come this side and go this side. His work, playing, what like that. A convenient room. Yeah. Yes. So, whoever who is watching this video, subscribe, like, give a like on this video. You subscribe, like whoever who has job, you can comment there if you want to do your work with me.